Hello everyone, it's Q, Auto Gravity. Today we got a Maserati GT. Installed Apple CarPlay. Let's have a look. Alright, so now we got a USB here, and we got a Maserati factory navigation radio system. Let's connect the iPhone first to check out the Apple CarPlay. So that's being connected. So we just swipe and we'll switch to the Apple CarPlay interface. As you can see, it's crystal clear. So we have it on touch screen, so it's easy to use. So you've got 2 pages, so left and right. Alright, got a phone.
Who do you want to call?
See? Got music, obviously. Got maps. Yep. I got a audiobook. Lots of other functions. Sorry, this way here. Yeah, this way. Google Map. Auto Gravity. That's us. Yeah, so that's the Apple CarPlay installed for Maserati GT. Let's try the Samsung and connect with the Android Auto. Ready to go? That's the one. Android Auto. Yeah, Android Auto. I think it's easy. Apple CarPlay is a lot better to use. Let's go to Google Map. Not many functions though, but still, you know, better than nothing. Right? Yeah, so that's Android Auto for Maserati GT. Both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto for this Maserati GT with this auto system. Excellent result.